Greetings. This is a live coding session, I guess, or recorded coding session with myself, Alex, and Jakub, jficz on GitHub. And we're going to be working on tuning of the system identity mounts. In particular, we want to add support for disabling HMAC on certain keys. One of the, I think, best use cases that I can also think of around here. I forget what we mentioned in the actual use case for this. But one of the ones that I want to be able to do is audit the policies in plain text. From my side, so being able to look at what changes are being made to policy and not have to go through an HMAC undo operation. Did you?
Exactly, that was the main use case.
Cool, perfect. So I guess
auditing in general and changes in sys and identity.
Cool. Yes, identity as well. I don't use identity a lot myself, but I understand a lot of people do have heavy identity setups. So we're on OpenBao, current upstream branch. So let's go add a branch for this, just doing secrets. I think you have some initial changes in here.
Yeah, that's an old change, but yeah. Basically, I just found out that these are blacklisted for some reason.
Right.
And, I couldn't find a reason, so I just removed them from the list.
Right. And we decided that we wanted to change the definition of untunable because at least audit suffers from the same problem of there potentially being modifications to the audit subsystem that we want to un-HMAC. I didn't look deeply into cubbyhole. Maybe it's worth looking at that. So if we go over to our API docs, OpenBao, I forget where we put cubbyhole. I guess we mostly just have read secret, list secret, and create and delete.
Yeah, it would be useful for wrap tokens, for example.
Yeah. I'm guessing though most of the I think it would be useful in general. I think most of the data you're probably going to actually see in a response, for instance, is sensitive data, but it might still be worthwhile to do. Cool. For anyone who has like structured cubbyhole data that they want. So we opted to change the definition of untunable to support modifying these keys. Let's see. Did I link to here? Yes. Yes, handle tune right. Very good. This is over in logical system. So like this now. I guess we want 1562.
Right. So in this case, we're just modifying the tune, whatever it's called, parameter subsystem, something like that.
Correct.
One of the suggestions I had was actually to decouple the audit part from the tune part, but I think that would be much more complicated change. So we can start with this.
Right. And I think
if that's even feasible, I don't know. I'm not really sure about the architecture of this. So it just makes sense in my head to have audit separated from tunes, because tunes are more like performance, these kind of things, features, but audit is different.
Yeah, I agree with you there conceptually. I do think that is a rather part of the problem is I think everything is stored in the same portion of the mount entry. So I think I can pull this up. Not core, bulk mount go. In the mount table entry, let's see. What's this thing? Mount entry. I think mount entry has both Yeah, tune modifies things in this mount config, which includes both HMAC um, data and then some of the other tune information. And so I think from a API standpoint, you're exposing essentially this underlying data structure. And so that's why I think everything's thrown together is because that's where it is in the underlying data store. I don't mind that idea. I think long term that might be a good approach if there's more changes to auditing that we want to do on a per mount level. So that might make sense to break it out. But
Currently, let's stick with just the original problem.
probably simplest for the time being. So here, I don't think we want to error completely. What we want to do is modify which set of
Could you maybe make the font a little bit larger?
years larger. Let me just change my default. Let's try this way. Is that better as a default? Cool. Yes. So we want to audit what we actually have data for. So yes, all of these are probably matching the config over here, but so let's see. So we have this one. We have max least TTL. What else do we have? We have user lockout config. Auto formatter will help us later. We have description, we have plugin version. We have HMAC keys, which we actually want to allow.
So what we're doing now is changing the way the tune is denied based on what the tune endpoint is. An endpoint, should we call it?
Yep. Just copy over here, but I want to make sure I get everything.
We reverse the
So
condition just to allow the things that should be allowed and drop the rest.
yeah, that might probably be more flexible. Yeah, let's do that. So for allowed field, so let's do our set of allowed field then. We have non-HMAC and we have non-HMAC response keys. And I think so this is where I don't quite understand framework schema enough. Field data contains schema as interface. So I think I want to iterate over raw. Data in raw. Let us say if if not found, then this is where we want to error. And say cannot tune this mount with the particular field. To tune that with sure. So now I think So I have a list of two things that we want for now. Raw. So that's an interesting question. What's your thoughts here, Jakub? So we have data.raw, or we have data.schema. Schema is probably the correct one to do. So the difference between the two is schema would be only things which, I guess, the handler was intending as API request fields. Raw would be everything the user sent in the request. You would get a warning.
Don't trust the user. So
that is true. Yeah, we can go over that.
it would help to see what actually these fields contain, like an example.
Yeah, let's do that. How are we gonna get that quickly? I think if we go into Vault, what would be a good test to run? We have a good tune test here. We'll probably do this. So
Yeah, well, give me 5 seconds. I'll just make sure there's no background noise.
okay, yeah, I don't hear anything on my side, but
Yeah, I do, unfortunately. So give me a sec. That was easy. Someone forgot to close the door.
very good. Let's see. There we go. Just slow, I guess, this morning. So I want test.run to be send it this. Make sure this works. Cool. Nice fast test. Always appreciate that. So we want to break on OpenBao. And BDB decides to yeah. Yes. So this is there we go. Handle tune
And to right.
right common. There you go. Yeah. Okay. The data.schema. Interesting question. I've never looked at what interesting question. Data.raw. Clearly, I should use a delve, I guess. Maybe that's Oh, there we go. Okay. There we go. So our keys that we have. There you go. So we have default lease TTL, we have max lease TTL, we have description, 2 HMAC ones, allowed response keys, token type, and plugin version, which I think makes sense based upon what we saw down here. We had default lease, we had max lease. So that's why we have to iterate over raw, is because while we don't trust the user not to send unknown schema fields, we have every field populated here. In this map. So we would have to do something more like schema dot data dot raw, and then also for if data dot schema field not okay, continue. So ignore unknown fields. Check if this field is allowed to be tuned on this untunable path. Right. Cool. Sound good?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure I understand the condition, the data scheme not okay completely, but
So if I were to do like a bao tune or like a bao write sys slash tune slash guy, let's make sure I have my you happen to remember the syntax off the top of your head for systune? It's sys slash mounts. Is that what I do?
yeah, sys mounts is the path mounts.
Yeah.
You can read from it, I guess. Or list, perhaps.
There you go. And if I dismounts, tuning was via violet slash tune. There we go. So if I were to write to this with I don't know, unknown, right? Okay, so this isn't useful because the tune thing doesn't reply with an unknown parameter. Here we go. So in this case, right, schema would contain the parameters up here, right? The listing visibility, allowed header response, allowed response headers, you know, that type of information. But raw contains the actual list of parameters set by the user. And so unknown parameter would show up in raw as a field that the user set. And so for any field which the tune API doesn't understand, we're skipping it. Because presumably we're not going to tune it anyways, because we don't understand it.
Right, okay, yeah, I get it now.
And then
I missed that you're checking as data schema, no data raw.
right, say, yep. Yeah, so we're checking schema there. And so we're skipping the fields that aren't known, but which are present in the response. And then that leaves us with the set of fields in raw that are part of schema and are set on the response. Or on the,
right,
on
so
the
the
request.
data just to clarify things, data raw contains whatever the user sent. And
Correct.
data
Yep.
schema is the description, is like a static list of whatever should be there.
Yeah, from the API
Yeah.
definition. So I guess if we were to look at this handle mount tune right, where is this undefined? It's called here. So it's called over here. So the schema, the fields would contain these values
Right.
in the schema, and then contain like the type mapping and all that stuff. Or
Yeah,
the
makes sense.
actually, I think fields is probably just verbatim schema, unless it removes ones from the path. That would probably be useful to know. You should probably check that out before we get too far. No, it doesn't look to be there. So we'll try it. See if test fails. The one we may need to do. I don't see it mentioned here. Oh, that's response
I don't
parameter.
see the
Yeah.
I don't see the HMAC request key there.
Here on the right.
Yeah.
I see HMAC response key.
Yes,
You're
but
right
not
that
request.
not request. Let's find a different test. Test system backend. Do we have a tune? Mm, mm, um, that's an external test. I don't really like the external tests. I guess I have to do external tests. Let's go see how bad of an external request this is. Well, this is like a nasty external request to debug. That is an interesting point. So let's come back then to the other test that we saw, turn off, and see what fields they're actually sending and see if these happen to coincide. The answer is no. That's a read operation. There's a write operation. Yes, so over here, the only fields that they're sending are um, only fields that they're sending.
References.
Buckets is what I was missing. And then this was schema.buckets.
So the hex numbers are pointers?
Yes. So is buckets of
No,
oh
there's both.
buckets. There's probably I'm probably dereferencing buckets prematurely. So if I go is buckets, is there buckets one? Yeah, there we go. Right, like so this is there's one bucket there, there's another bucket here, there's a second bucket there, and then that bucket. Well, now we're off into random memory probably. Decidedly off into random memory. But I assume we have where was this? I assume we have count number of buckets. Oh, we have 13 buckets. So maybe not off into random memory till later. But Let's see, can I issue, let's see. I guess I can't do a for loop in GDB. I should probably see if Delve, I have Delve. I do have Delve. I happen to recall where the Delve Delve debugger. There we go. Go Delve is where it's under. GitHub.com, go Delve. See if this works. Huh. Go Command Delve. There you go. That looks better.
Looks better.
Um, handle to what are my commands? Start.
Continue.
Continue, I guess. Restart probably. If I'm not, well, let's try continue. Interesting.
Or should we first call the function somehow?
I thought, oh, maybe I need to do that by a dash dash. I thought I had been using test.run here
Oh, right. Yeah.
to execute the test in particular. There we go. So that looks like it just ran the one
Right.
test. So it was running all tests because I didn't specify the thing. So I want to break on github.com/openbow vault, and apparently tab complete. This one is funny. Dot handle to right. Oops. There we are. So now if I print data, that looks a lot better.
Yeah.
So we have yes. So then you are right. We do need to add one more field in here and add path into that. Because we are obviously going to be modifying path always, or requesting path because it's part of the API request. Cool. So let me ignore unknown fields, check this. My thought would be we should probably also move these. Well, default lease, max lease TTL don't really matter from a. So we should probably set up here untunable. And then set this to true. And break here as well. Cool. right? Because previously we were erroring directly. And so if we had an untunable amount, we would break out of this, though we don't really have that many that it makes iterating hard. But we're doing the same work no matter which path we find. So we then
How do
said,
we use how do we use this value? I mean, when you do break, does it return the result of the previous line? I'm not that familiar with Go.
no, it doesn't return it, but it's only in a for loop, so it's not in a different scope. So intunable is in scope to be modified. And so then
Yeah.
it would have true down here. And so we would probably change this to
Oh, right. Yeah.
if not is untunable, right? And we want to only do the least modification or the max least default least modifications there, and then likewise this because it's a direct get. If not untunable is untunable, we do that modification, and then this uses get okay, this uses get okay, this uses get okay, also get okay, get okay, get okay, and so forth. And so now the only modifications to the entry that we've done are options are there as well. Okay. Yeah, so then the only modifications
Just FYI, we're gonna run out of time in 20 seconds.
like in the your time or in the Zoom meeting.
I see a timer, the Zoom timer.
Oh, interesting. Let me stop sharing then. I don't see a Zoom timer.
Yeah, I see it in my, but it's still recording, so maybe it was just because my experience with Zoom when the timer runs out, the meeting usually ends or something happens, but nothing happened now.
It shouldn't happen because I'm on work version. So
So maybe it was just timed by default.
yeah. Cool. Let's see.
Maybe can we maybe take a short break, 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure. I'll pause the recording too. I can. I'm recording. Cool. So I think we got this handler then updated. Let's give it a try. Yes. Give it a try and see if we break anything in this particular one.
OGTA, is that your alias or is it something?
Yeah. I just get really tired of typing github.com/openbow/openbow
Right.
every time. So I just do /. Let's see. This looks like it's running all my tests.
Good for the viewers to know them as well.
Yes, no, fair point. There we go. So it looks like this current test passes. So we didn't break anything. Presumably. So I guess the next step would be we build everything, which is again another alias. If anyone wants to see my aliases, they're in my dot files on GitHub. I think they're up to date. I hope to keep them up to date. Build is an alias I have from working on lots of different projects from my time at Red Hat that attempts to do the right thing when given a directory with some source code. Attempts to build the project.
I do the same thing. I've got around 100 now, maybe even more. I'm not sure. Some
Nice.
of them are very, very old.
So if we go now, there's a project on GitHub called under OpenBao now called DevBao. Dev bow node start dev. And so it allows you to spin up OpenBao instances fairly easily, and then handle the environment stuff from there. And I guess I don't actually want to be using dev mode. I think I actually want production version. Okay, so Bao secrets list. Oops. Yes. So initialize. And zero, I think, are both parameters I need there. Cool. Now I need to reload my environment. Cool. So we want to be able to tune sys, and so I think about node tail. Let's see, tail audit. Did I not enable auditing? Node state. I need that audit as well. One more time. And now if I tell my audit log, it looks like it's doing useful things. So I want to be able to bow write sys slash mounts slash, let's see, we wanted to tune sys itself. And we wanted to add this non-HMAC request keys. And we'll set it to, let's modify changes to this and also to policies. And so now if I were to repeat this request loop, originally non-HMAC request keys was HMAC here. And now it is an actual value. Cool. So I think
Nice.
that was what we wanted to do.
The policies are there, I can see. So it's nice. Maybe pipe it through JQ so it's more readable.
Yeah, this is the actual audit log I'm tailing. So probably let's see, cat this slash audit log JQ. There we go. So this was our, let's see, our first request was up here. And audit in the data, it was HMAC'd, as we see there. And then in our subsequent follow-up, it was in clear text, like we hoped for. Nice.
Very
And
nice.
that was the request. And so now if we read it, it does show up there in sys_tune as well. Nice. And all we've modified is the write handler. So presumably that was the original behavior on the read handler as well. So from that standpoint, I think we're good. And then let's see, so we did audit. Interesting, there's no audit mount entry. Oh, because audit is not a
No, it's
right.
per mount. Is it?
No, it's audit really isn't a audit mount, right? I mean it is.
No, it is.
Well, it's in here. Let's see, what file is this? Vault mount. 106. Interesting. Bao path help audit? No, because
Is it
audit,
called
I mean,
audit? You can name them out whatever you want, right? Even audit.
because they have audit. Um,
Oh, audit raw, maybe that's the.
it's
It's not raw, it's file. So
no, I don't. I like to modify audit. It's under the sys audit space. It's not actually mounted at /audit. It's mounted at sys audit. Oh, is that it? Is it not? No, because it's letting me do whatever. Interesting. I didn't tune, what did I tune? I didn't tune cubbyhole. And I didn't tune identity. Both of those are added. So now if I tune identity slash the bogus, right. That is correctly, it's finding the parent mount, I guess, of the arbitrary path you give, which is interesting, but probably makes some sense. But we are
well,
able
it
to,
allows you to write in it. It just doesn't use the value, right? But it could be interesting with cubbyhole because cubbyhole is right per token, for instance. So does it apply to the actual cubbyhole subsystem, or does it apply to the cubbyhole of that particular token when you do this?
good question. Okay, and then if I do let's see, so token slash is it a create token? I forget my token creation off the top of my head without a login.
Token generate maybe,
I think I want
or
token.
token create.
Yeah, I want create token. This one.
Off token.
Thanks. Audit, tail audit. Here, I should probably actually write something into cubbyhole. Well, actually, strictly, I guess I don't need to. So now if I do a write cubbyhole, this over here, this one is in plain text of value. And now if I do the same thing, but with a bao token set to this thing. This one is non-HMAC as well. So it is globally
Cool.
done. Cool. Very good. So I do think this works about as intended, other than the fact that audit is included in that list for some reason that we don't quite understand. But
yeah, but it seems to be working exactly as I wanted.
yep. Cool.
Now, just need to make sure that it doesn't really break anything else.
Right.
mean,
So
Could be worth digging into what was the reasons to make this untunable in the first place.
That is an interesting question. I suspect some of these parameters they just didn't want, like, they didn't want you like changing description, plugin version, and some other parameters of like built-in core
Yeah,
features like this.
I always find that a bit of archaeology might prove useful.
Yeah. We did have that particular commit that we stumbled upon. To set per round default max these times. So it could also be that they didn't want you setting oh, they called it protected mounts before. Still have protected mounts? Oh, we still have protected mounts. I see. So this was even then before then that we didn't allow so if I check out this file, well, I'll lose my changes. So we should probably commit these before we go too far. Well, HMAC. Turning HMAC status on. Cool. We'll wordsmith that later. So we wanted to go back to this commit and edit this file. Protected mounts. Okay, this is in which file? System. So this commit then is oops,
It's a lot of changes in one commit.
here we are. Logical system. Prevent protected paths from being changed. So we'd have to look at that. Looks net new in this one. I don't see it anywhere else. So you would have to look at the history around this commit.
Maybe they just disallowed tuning because they didn't want those to be changed, and then the HMAC stuff was just added later, maybe, or they didn't think of it back then.
Yeah.
There doesn't seem a particular reason to prevent HMAC specifically not be tuned. This looks more like let's not tune these things because it's too dangerous to tune without consideration of what can actually be tuned. Feels that way.
Oh, you want to know why? It's because all they had were lease TTLs back then. They didn't have HMAC.
Yeah, so that makes sense.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Was at the point in time when they added this check. It didn't make sense.
It's been nearly 10 years ago, so.
Right. Cool. So I think that says to me that I'm happy with this check or with this change making sense. And so then we'll run the rest of the. Oh, because I'm still on this weird commit. So if I go back to my branch, which was Systune secrets, which I guess was a bad name for this, but Systune sys would be a better name for this. We'll see if those tests pass. Cool. So then I think the last thing to do is just write a quick test for this under Vault. During a brief pause that we had, I was looking at this other test over here, which seemed like it would be a good example because it loads an HMAC or loads an audit backend. It makes a request and validates that it's.
Yeah, that's a good place to put this. It relates to audit, so makes sense to put it there.
Yeah. So this is tune off. Just doing backend. Sys. Let's see, we want our audit thing. We want so let's validate this actually off the top of our head. On our first request, we should not have this audited. And so then confused how this no-op works. It's a no-op audit. And so then we don't enable the audit till down here. I gotcha. That makes sense. So if we enable the audit first, we should now be able to ensure that there's there should be a single request. Here, which is non-HMAC. Is this making sense? Well,
To be honest, I'm completely lost in this. So.
cool. I am as well. So let's go back up here. We want to mostly do this for now. I just want a core backend. I want a system backend, and then I want to be able to
and the audit backend, you still have to enable it.
right, but now I'm confused. Why is this auth token tune? It has to be sys auth token tune. Oh, because we're going direct to the sys backend. Duh.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. some kind of prefix that makes sense.
Yep. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. So we want to be able to tune the sys backend itself. And rec.data, we want to be able to set the
audit of
right.
HMAC deliver.
Yeah. Cool. So all the other tests passed there.
Nice.
And so we want to be able to set this one. And I want to set the response keys. And so that particular request should work. And if I come back over here, and I should really rewrite this one here, require that no error, error. Oh, this is read operation. The update operation. Cool. That doesn't have a schema. And then similarly, if I come back and say rec.data description, use this description and reperform this request, I should say error expected modify description. Fix this. And then I should be able to do the same thing one more time. Oops, with a completely fresh request.
Are we satisfied that the write was successful, or do we want to test that it actually logs in plain text?
I was gonna play with that afterwards.
But that's a different test, I guess.
I guess C is used. C is core. The core? Probably don't need the core.
Well, we could use this as backend, right? And just use tune. I mean, wouldn't it make things a bit faster? More scoped?
Sorry, one more time.
Well, we're using the core system, but if we use the sys part, the test would be scoped to this, right? So it might be a bit faster. Not sure if it would make sense what I'm saying, but
We're just using system backend out of the thing. So I think we would need failed to perform request unsupported path. Oh, mouse. Explain. Mouse system. That should work. Just do it a better.
oh yeah, okay, now it makes sense.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, that passed. So then if we wanted to do that, we would need to come up here, create a core backend, or create a oops. We would need to create our audit. In the core. So this is CB. This goes here. We modify our audit backends. We've done that check. Now test policies are on HMAC. And so we would enable the audit backend. Let's update one. I think I just want this. Then I'd probably want this one. I'm assuming this would route to a useful place. Let's see. Client token. Not quite sure why it's specifying client token on all these, but we'll set that as well. 289, yes, fine. And TBH, I don't think we actually use RESP. There. We won't use it there either. Cool. And then we gotta figure out what format our no op data is in. Cool, so that worked. And now we just gotta make sure that this is
On the line above, when you test for error, you don't have any underscore in front of it. That's expected. Is it a Go thing? No, the line, this one. Yeah,
yeah, this one.
yeah. There's no underscore in front, so does it mean it's? Or was there an underscore?
This this is a to return parameter.
Oh yes, but I didn't see the
Yeah.
underscore. Maybe it was just.
Oh yeah, maybe it's the font rendering. There's
Maybe it
a
wasn't visible in the video. Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Now
Yep.
now I see it. Now I see it. So that's why I was confused.
Okay, so that still works. How do I validate my response here? Okay, so I think that's that. And so then if I were to go up here and not do this, it should fail here. Yep, perfect. And that's line 2, 3, or 4. Very good. So I think that's that.
Yeah, it looks very good.
And so that it doesn't verify everything, but it verifies that we can write our things. I guess we don't verify we can read it back, but presumably it behaves like the other mounts in that regard. We enable our audit backend and we perform a request that should now have an un-HMAC response key. And it does indeed have that. So
And that's exactly what we want.
that is what we want. Yes. Cool. So let's just wordsmith allow tuning HMAC on protected mounts. And we decided that I don't think there's much else to say. Other than we looked at this commit. When protected mounts were disallowed from tuning in this commit, or only TTL status is present in the tune interface. Tuning HMAC status request response in the audit log, not present, but makes sense. Brother, therefore, all mounts, even protected mounts.
Context is very useful.
Yes. Cool. And then I want to find out, let's see, do you have a preferred commit sign off? Let's see, commits. You didn't add DCO. How do you want to be identified as co-author in this?
No, I didn't write any code, so no. You
Okay.
can mention me, but you don't have to put me as a co-author.
Very good. That is then pushed up. And we should be able to open that pull request. So thank you very much.